This is a quick video showing how to come up with the average for group data in Excel. We're giving you a very small sample of data here. So the groups, the frequencies, the midpoints, which we've already put in, and then the output. Now to work out the output figures, you need to do the following. Use the asterisk for multiplication. And then when you've highlighted the two cells to show the values for the formulas, press return. Now, rather than having to do that for all the following rows, you can just click on the little green square in the bottom right hand corner of the cell, and it drags the formula that you created for the first two cells in the row into the others. So we now have our outputs. Now to calculate the average, what we need to do is to click in a spare cell below the bottom of the column, go up to Formulas, go to Auto Sum. You can see there's a drop down menu, come to Average, click on Average, press Return again, and it tells you that the mean average for these values comes to 215. It's as simple as that.